Very planted, right? It feels very planted. Everything is working just nice.
Exactly.
It's not 100% perfect, but okay. For waterfall run, nice. This is nice.
Got ABS also,
Yeah.
Bo traction control
No, bo traction lah.
Bo
Bo mode, bo traction. Yeah, open throttle again.
This perfect lah. Even though I ride the MX not balanced like that, I feel that bike. This one like perfect balancing.
Easy Oh, pull us go. Pull us go. Sekarang racun budak GS. Track extreme. Stand. Go. Open throttle. Yeah, open all the way. Slam on the brakes, no problem. Go one more round. Go ABS. Cannot slide one. Okay, on throttle. Open. So we are at MFG. We try out the course B for this, and also we did a little bit of the course C downhill. So pretty well done. So this is the second time it went off road. So pretty good. Okay, right?
Because the bump is not suitable for this kind of bike. Road. Yeah, this bike
Like
is soft,
off-road.
Yeah, but anyway, on our normal bike also it's bumping because the wheel is small. Yeah.
Wow.
Got nice comfort.
You have to disable lah. You disable lah. Ah.
Yeah, the back feels a bit hard.
It's meant for road.
Yeah, yeah.
70% road.
I don't think it's a fair comparison.
But okay lah. Like off-road, no problem
Yeah,
lah.
light off-road is okay. Quite easy to ride lah.
Power also there, eh?
Yeah, not so bad.
Power also there and all that. Kevin, take out the ABS, then can slide. But the day when off-road, right? Still
You're
ABS.
allowed to remove the ABS one.
Yeah, allow.
Oh, just pull out only lah.
Just pull out. Take out the sensor only.
Yeah.
So this is the second time we took Dr. Z out for off-road, and we did the MFG course, which is where we did the smaller one, and now we did the B and also did a little bit of the C. So pretty okay, he handled well. So tomorrow we're gonna send this bike for servicing and check all the parts. Pretty okay. Signing out. Cheers. I don't know got enough memory not Go.
Your personal bike, huh?
Go.
Wow. Obviously it's bumpy lah. Because the bump is not suitable for this kind of bike. It's a road. Yeah, this bike is soft, huh? Yeah, but anyway, on our normal bike also it's bumping because the wheel is small, huh? Yeah. Okay lah, got nice comfort. Nice comfort. The ABS cannot take out, huh? Yeah, run. Surprisingly, it feels hard. Yeah, the back feels a bit hard.
It's meant for road.
Yeah.
70% road.
I don't think it's a fair comparison, especially going through the bump. But yeah, light off-road is okay. Quite easy to ride lah.
Power also there.
Yeah, not so bad. Yeah. Run. Then can slide.
I can slide. But the day when off-road, right? Still
You mean you're allowed to remove the ABS one?
Yeah, allow.
Oh, just pull out only lah.
Just pull out. Take out the sensor ni lah.
Yeah. Oh, using this type of suspension. Is it K-Tech?
Oh lah. Sticker ni. Ni ada sensor here.
Using this type of thing, huh?
Take out the sensor here.
I know already. Yeah, it comes in a bit not so fast.
Well, the sack, everything okay lah. It responds
Yeah,
to...
actually, yeah. Again, it's a bit too stiff. Not giving at all. But what suspension is it?
The stock lah. Stock
Stock,
suspension.
Hardly any movement lah. I know, because the lot of unsprung weight, you see. So they need to. I would have preferred it to be softer. So damping's there, but cannot. I don't know. Can I adjust on it?
Can? Yeah, adjustable.
Oh, you mean?
So we are at MFG. We try out the course B for this, and also we did a little bit of a course C downhill. So well, pretty well done. So this is the second time it went off road, so pretty good. So this is the second time we took Dr. Z out for off-road. We did the MFG course, which is where we did the smaller one, and now we did the B and also did a little bit of the C.